and welcome back to TechnoArch. In today's video, we will learn how to trim all the lines outside a box in AutoCAD using the XTRIM command. As you can see on the screen, there are several extra lines extending outside the box or a polyline. Our goal is to remove these lines in just one simple step. So let's get started. First, type EXTR on the command line and select the XTRIM command from the drop-down list. Next, select the polyline or rectangle that will serve as a boundary. Now, click on the outer side of the polyline or rectangle in the blank space. All the lines connected to and located inside the selected polyline or rectangle will be automatically deleted, leaving only the lines inside the boundary. And that's it. You have successfully trimmed the unwanted lines. Thank you for watching. If you have any suggestions or requests for the future videos, please let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to TechnoArch. See you next time.